fit and fun. And I am also fit and fun.
Farm Animals Sounds Quiz. Let's listen. What is it? Listen. Yes, it's a donkey. A donkey says, "Yee-haw, yee-haw." What is it? Listen. Yes, it's a cow. A cow says, "Moo." What is it? Listen. Yes, it's a cat. A cat says, "Meow." What is it? Listen. Yes, it's a dog. A dog says, "Woof, woof, woof." What is it? Listen. Yes, it's a chicken. A chicken says, "Cluck, cluck." What is it? Listen. Yes, great. It's a rabbit. What is it? Listen. Yes, it's a rooster. A rooster says, "Cock-a-doodle-doo." What is it? Listen. Yes, it's a duck. A duck says, "Quack, quack." What is it? Listen. Yes, it's a goat. What is it? Listen. Yes, that's right. It's a horse. A horse says, "Neigh." What is it? Listen. Yes, that's right. It's a mouse. A mouse says, "Squeak, squeak." What is it? Listen. Yes, great. It's a sheep. A sheep says, "Baa." What is it? Listen. Yes, it's a frog. A frog says, "Ribbit, ribbit." What is it? Listen. It's a pig. You were amazing. Wonderful. Goodbye.